Hello friends, welcome to MySQL video tutorials series. In this video tutorial, I would like to discuss how to delete a database from MySQL server. To delete a database from MySQL server, we take help of drop database command. Basic syntax for deleting a database is we write drop database if exists database name semicolon, where if exists clause is optional guys. For example, if I need to delete db underscore Chidres tech tutorials, all I need to type drop database db underscore Chidres tech tutorials semicolon guys. In the previous video tutorial, we have created Chidres tech tutorials database. If I need to delete that, all I need to say drop database db underscore Chidres tech tutorials semicolon guys. Let's go to MySQL console and understand how to delete a database from MySQL server. I say here show databases semicolon. I hit enter. We know that show databases command displays list of databases currently available in MySQL server. There is db underscore Chidres tech tutorials. Let's delete it. I say here drop database db underscore Chidres tech tutorials semicolon. I hit enter. You can see that query is executed successfully. Let's see whether Chidres tech tutorials database is deleted. I say here show databases semicolon, hit enter. You can see that db underscore Chidres tech tutorials is deleted. That is how you delete a database from MySQL server guys. Note, while deleting a database, if you do not specify if exists clause and the database you want to delete does not exist in the server, then error is thrown guys. If you do not specify if exists clause and the database you want to delete does not exist in the server, then error is thrown. Let me show that. Let's try to delete db underscore Chidres tech tutorials once again. I say here drop database db underscore Chidres tech tutorials semicolon. Of course, db underscore Chidres tech tutorials does not exist in the server, as well as we are not specifying if exists clause. What happens? We get the error guys. I hit enter. You can see that it is telling can't drop database. db underscore Chidres tech tutorials database does not exist. You are trying to delete a database which does not exist guys. That's what it is telling. For the safe side, if you want to execute the query without any errors, it is recommended to use if exists clause guys. I say here drop database if exists db underscore Chidres tech tutorials semicolon. We are telling delete the database if it exists. Otherwise, you should not do anything. We are telling to the system, delete the database if it exists. Otherwise, don't do anything. I hit enter. You can see that query is executed successfully. We have not got any error guys. Now we need to understand when we should use if exists clause and when we need not to use if exists clause. While deleting a database, if you don't know whether the database that you want to delete already exists in the server or not, then you must specify if exists clause guys. If you don't know whether the database that you want to delete already exists in the server or not, then you must specify if exists clause. We know that if exists clause prevents the query from error guys. Whereas while deleting a database, if you know that the database that you want to delete does exist in the server, then you need not to specify if exists clause. If you know that the database that you want to delete does exist in the server, then you need not to specify if exists clause. I go to MySQL console. I want to delete db underscore city college. Of course, I know that there is a database called db underscore city college. To delete this database, I can simply say drop database db underscore city underscore college semicolon. I need not to specify if exists clause. because I know that db underscore city underscore college is available in the MySQL server. I hit enter. You can see that query is executed. I say show databases semicolon. I hit enter. You can see that db underscore city underscore college is also deleted. That is how you delete a database from MySQL server, guys. I hope you guys have clearly understood. Let me exit from MySQL console. I say exit semicolon, hit enter. You can see that MySQL console is closed. That's it, guys, for this video tutorial. I hope you guys have clearly understood. I suggest you people to watch this video again and again, understand everything clearly. Try the commands that I teach in this video tutorial series as much as possible. Practice them and try to remember all the commands, guys. If you like this video, hit the like button and share with your friends so that everyone will get benefited. For more benefits and be updated, do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Keep learning, keep coding, keep sharing. Thank you guys. Thank you very much. See you in the next tutorial.